Let's illustrate the process by building von Braun's rotating habitat. Manufacturing starts with the assembly of a very thin seed ring, with an inside diameter the same size as that of the outside of the habitat being constructed. The ring sections lock together and can be positioned using a suitable drive mechanism. An articulated robotic arm ending in a 3D print head is fastened to the structure used to rotate the ring. Multiple print arms can be used in parallel. During manufacture, the seed ring is rotated constantly in one direction. For each full revolution of the seed ring, the print head is held in a fixed position just above the surface. It prints an extremely thin circular bead on the inside of the seed ring. The print head then moves a very small distance and the next revolution is printed, and so on. Additive manufacture inherently allows overhangs to be constructed, meaning that from a tiny seed ring a much larger shape can be grown. Internal structures can be created to accommodate basic services, and there is the potential to print with different materials. Structures and access holes can be created perpendicular to the direction of ring rotation by precisely stopping and starting the print during each rotation. Imagining better graphics, this is how the process would appear from the outside. And similar as a sectional view.